And here we go, beautiful sunset. We just arrived actually for the sunset time. Yo, what's up?
Okay, so I just finished work today because this is the first day that I come back to work.
Oops, so many flowers.
So nowadays the restaurant starting to open with the capacity, limited capacity, and also office, non-essential office also open with the capacity also for 25%. So yeah, we decided to go to Jimbaran for dinner today. So let's see how it is. Oh, look at the
Beautiful sunset. So I just want to show you because we'll be gone just in probably 1 minute, 2 minutes. Meanwhile, that's how it looks. The beautiful area is quite busy even. Some people already enjoyed, so that's really good, positive sign. I want to show you slowly how does it look like. Peaceful and so beautiful. So here are also some seafood restaurants, actually not so many tables, not so many people. Winnie is checking, maybe we're gonna have some seafood dinner today, but meanwhile that's how it looks like. I just really want to show you the sunset. It's really amazing colors of the sky. This is not any kind of filters or Photoshop or anything. This is original color. What you can see on the screen right now, I can see at the front the kids playing. Here is also the corn seller. Yo, what's up? Yes. How are you? Good. And the small baby. And that's how it looks like. I just wanna go show you a little bit going closer to the ocean because obviously the sunset is really magnificent. The color of the sky. Whoa, the ball. The kids playing football. I just want to show you because for almost 1 month, like 3.5 weeks actually, everything was closed. You couldn't go to the beach, so now I'm missing beach. Probably the next few vlogs will be from the beach. I hope so you are not bored watching the sunsets from Bali. But yeah, that's how it look like. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful weather. Beautiful weather. I just got the ball between my legs when I walk, so sorry for the straightness, and the sunset will be finished literally and now in just a few minutes. So beautiful, so beautiful. The beach is clean. Over there you can see the Mount Batu. This is not Mount Agung, it's Batu. Actually looks like a Mount Agung, but that's not possible. That's Batu. And over there is the airport. No planes, no planes. And yeah, sunset is gone. And that's how it looks, the vibes. I'm already close to the ocean and watching the beautiful sky. I just wanna put my legs a little bit inside the water because this is privilege nowadays. Here we go, the wave. So cool. Guys, this is really amazing feeling. Oh shit, but the wave is so big. Get washed. Like a small kiddo. Get washed like a small kid. But the sky is beautiful, vibe is beautiful. I'm okay. And yeah, we're gonna have some dinner. I think Winnie is dealing with some people. What's the prices? And yeah, all I can say, beautiful vibes. And I'm so happy to see kids playing football. Many kids unfortunately only playing on the phones nowadays, or football on the PlayStation on the phone. But these kids, Bali kids, still playing beach on the beach. And now they can, because previously they couldn't. So nice. Where's Sayang? Where's Sayang? Alright, we're gonna have some dinner. Hello, how are you? Good?
Hi, I'm just reading the menu.
Alright.
It's very nice that now we can sit it again in Jimbaran, watching sunset with the beautiful view. And yeah, I know that last time this Jimbaran area was, packed of people, but nowadays I think this one is the first day they opening, because based on the laws that nowadays all the restaurant can open with the limitation.
Cheers, guys. Cola today, but still.
Okay, so we've got so many questions that asking, can foreigners coming to Indonesia nowadays? Well, if you hold kitas or kitab and then you already vaccinated, you can come to Indonesia. Because we've got friends also from Australia that who already in Bali for retire, and then they got retirement kitas. They just came
A few days ago.
Yeah.
So it's possible, but any kind of tourist visits, business visa also not available anymore.
Yeah, so if you have nowadays B211 visa or business visa, something like that, unfortunately you cannot come to Indonesia, even you already vaccinated.
And even you already got the visa.
Okay, so I just talked to the waiter today, and then I asked how was their business during the PPKM or national lockdowns. And they said, yes, they only open for takeaway. And I asked, so how is it the business then? Yeah, if they open for taking away, the profit is not as much as when they open like this, sit in. As you see nowadays, like this is, I think, the first day they open, not much people.
Not much.
Beautiful sunset.
But the sunset and the vibe is just beautiful, guys. We are waiting for our food, and I just realized just after 20 minutes after the sunset, it's almost no people on the beach. The only alone corn guy sitting and like some people just walking, dogs playing around, but it's going to be quiet so quickly. Strange. Our food arrived. Check this out. Beautiful fish, seafood, prawns, rice, salads, sambal, spicy, garlic, non-spicy, and this one also spicy, and this one even more spicy. Beautiful food and beautiful sunset, and all of this what you see on the table, including my cola and water, is 150, something around 150. Okay, $10 American. I show you one shot at night. How does it look like? There's some live band, and there is the corn guy alone, unfortunately, already so peaceful, so good to be here.
All right, so as you see, the car park is quite empty, and yeah, this is how it is, the situation in the restaurant. Oh, they have a squid, lobster, and fresh fish. So this is how they cook the food. I'll just show you. So they grill it with the coconut skin. Ooh, nice. So fresh. Sama-sama, Pak. Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Jimbaran. Feel so happy to be slowly bouncing back. And thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.
See ya. Take care, guys.